Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known how to write a welcome Hello World program using PHP programming language. It's a very simple, pretty easy to write Hello World program. We'll see how it is. For this, you can use any favorite of your like a choosing of your own editor, like a Sublime editor you can use, or you can use Notepad plus plus, any of the editor you wish good luck to use it. For the download of the Sublime text editor, you go to Google, just simply Sublime text tree. Yes, you can download it from using Google and Sublime text this .com is there. Here you can download this software and use freely. Whereas if you want more features and all, you can have to buy a license for this. And based on your Linux operating system, you go with the choose of your version to download, like Windows and Linux and Mac OS. Maybe you find out what are the operating system you may require, and it will be most probably most of the distributions are available for this. And Notepad plus plus, it's a very simple software to super easy to download. Notepad plus plus and choose the version most comfortable version you can download and install it. This is also a open source free software. You can download it and have your in computer system and have to write the programs and very easily. Now let's come back. I'm going to creating a project called like a demo or a project I can create. Like see here, earlier lecture we have discussed about within the example, like an installation once you have successfully installed exam. This is the lectures are going to be follow with exam server environment. All right. If it is an exam, you will be find out HTTP of Apache web server root folder is htdocs. If it is a WAMP, you will be find a folder called www. Within that folder, you have to create a project and you have to work on it. All right. Now I'm creating a folder called project. Project name is called I'm creating is a folder is in a project. Within that project, I'm going to creating a file called PHP file, and I'm going to able to run in our Apache like a PHP environment. How simple, pretty easy, we'll see now. Like a open Notepad plus plus, very super easy. Notepad plus plus, and go to create a file called. I'll show you. Very simple, very pretty easy. How to create it? Yes. Just a second, I'm closing all the existing files, which cannot be making us an refresh. All right. Now you will see here like a press new. Here it is new. And to write a PHP form, here like a basic syntax you have to use question mark, and a PHP you have to use and enter. This is the script tag wherever you are writing in your HTML form or PHP form. Within this tags you are writing something, it will be treated as PHP language. Right? And save this form as where is the path we have to save this? Yes, go to C drive and find the exam folder. Yes, and here you have to find out htdocs, the folder name called htdocs. Yeah, you just select anyone and press H and it will be find out. And htdoc under the htdoc, there is in a folder we have created now for the reference of project. So I'm opening that project, and under this I'm making a file name called index.php. That is the first form I'm going to creating here. So I have a named it as an index.php under the project. Now save it. Now see, once the file is saved as an extension of PHP, the colors of the editor is also identified. This is the file is as PHP form. All right. Now you have to know about it less than question mark with PHP, and the end tag is question mark with the greater than. Within this tag, you are writing something here. It is so called, it is PHP code. And without using this code, you are writing something here or something, it will be treated as an HTML form. And using the HTML form, wherever you want to run the PHP code, there you can simply write this tag and write the HTML like a PHP server-side scripting and avail the functionality of the PHP. Very super and very simple. Now see here, this is the form. I have nothing. I have written here. Very simply, I'm showing and I'm running here what we are going to see. Localhost 80 of your port number by default. I have changed. I have a two Apache servers are there. So one I have put for 80 and this for 81. I am for the demonstration. And forward slash name of the project folder and forward slash hit enter. You will see here like the page for index.php by default, nothing is displaying here. So nothing, we have added a code lines over here. So our welcome program will comes to see echo is shows that print the information what you have to print in the output web page. In PHP, we'll use similar way of Linux operating system keywords. Most of the open source keywords we'll use here. Echo and take the double quotes and terminator of the line with the semicolon. In PHP, every line will terminate with this semicolon. Within the double quote, I'm writing something like hello world. Hello world program. I have prepared some text here. Save it. This is called so-called. It is called a double quote strings. If it is there within the text, it is called it as a string. So I'm saying that PHP echo means take a printout of this line. That's it. Save it and like a run it here. Just see you're loading index.php by defaultly, or else you can also type index.php here and hit enter. This form only will be loaded by defaultly. Now, what a great achievement you have done by writing the PHP line of code with the welcome program. I hope you will congratulate you if you receive this line as in a browser. This is the automatically it is running by handling of exam server. We have initiated Apache here. So it is running with the PHP line we have saved with our project so-called index.php. But then see here HT docs project. This is the form. It is php dot like index.php. Within that form, we have written something so-called hello world. So when I run this PHP form using Apache web server, I have received a hello world line. That's all about to run like a PHP, very super easy. And we'll see like this type of lines only sir, like a more exciting for upcoming lectures one by one. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.